Hi, welcome to Vegworks. Today I'm making Mysore Pak. Not just any Mysore Pak, but it's the melt in the mouth Mysore Pak. It's very easy and it can be made within a short time. So let's get started. We require equal quantities of chickpea flour, sugar and ghee. Don't reduce the ghee because the ghee is very important to keep it soft. Now we need to roast this, but before we do that, we need to line a tin or a sheet plate in which we are going to put the Mysore Pak once it's cooked. If you line it, it's easy to remove. So it's important that you keep everything ready before you start. So I've deliberately kept the two sides long so that I can just pull it out. So if you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't want, you can leave it. If you're not going to use butter paper, use ghee to grease the tin or the plate so that the Mysore Pak comes out easily. So let's get started. The pan, I've added 1 tablespoon ghee. Now I'm adding 1 cup of chickpea flour. On very low heat, let's just roast this till we get a nice fragrance of chickpea flour. The color has changed and we're getting a nice fragrance. So I'm going to switch this off now. Now we'll pass the chickpea flour through the sieve to avoid any lumps. The chickpea flour has been sieved. Now we'll add in half the ghee which we had taken earlier. Nicely we should mix it so that there are no lumps at all. The ghee has incorporated well into this flour. Now we'll make some sugar syrup. Now into the pan, I'm adding 1 cup sugar and half cup water. We need to get one thread consistency. The sugar has reached to one thread consistency. We'll drop in the chickpea flour mixture and keep stirring. We need to cook this till all the ghee is incorporated. The ghee has been fully incorporated. Now we'll switch off the gas. We'll pour the mixture into this prepared tin. We'll just do this to remove any air bubbles that may be there. We'll allow this to cool before we cut them into squares or bars. It's reasonably cold now. Let's remove it from this. So you can cut it so easily with the knife. Make it into smaller pieces. The Mysore Pak is ready. See, so soft. Do try it for this Diwali. It's fairly simple to make.